This ain't the same gene. Okay. Are you hurting anyone?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. I'm concerned with you. How old are you?
I'm 22.
You're
2 days.
22? 2 days?
Yep.
Have you, you read and write in the English language, right?
Of course.
Okay. Did you go to school here?
Yeah, I've been in this country for 8 years.
8 years? Okay. Detective St. Jean has he just has to read you something real quick, okay?
Have you ever been read your Miranda rights before?
What?
Have you ever been read your Miranda warning before? Do you know what that is?
What is that?
Your rights? Have you ever been read your rights before?
Do you watch TV?
Not
Have you ever seen cop shows and movies? So
really.
Miranda
That's
warning.
how I know how to get away from you real well.
Yeah. So he just has to read this to you and you can just listen up, okay?
So I'm going to go step by step, and I'll ask you to explain to me what you think that line means, and we'll go back and forth. I'll answer any questions you have if you don't understand something, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand what that means?
I do.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand what that means?
I do.
You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her present with you before and during questioning. Do you understand what that means?
Yep.
If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you at no cost to you before and during questioning if you wish. Do you understand what that means?
Yep.
You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand what that means?
Yep.
Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you? Do you have any questions?
Yeah, I do. I don't have any question.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
So we'd like you to have your side of the story and see what happened.
It's too complicated.
Well, I mean, we're here to listen. I know it was a rough night last night, but we just want somebody has to tell your side of the story. So was it, I'm sure there's several different reasons why this happened.
There is.
So we just want to hear your side. So if you want to talk to us,
Why?
because you know what, you're a human being, okay? You deserve to tell your side of the story. So when I go to that house, it's not like you're not that bad. You're not that bad of a kid. Come on.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know you. Well, let me get to know you. Do you need anybody to look at those scratches or anything? Okay.
We just met you, man. We don't know your backstory, we don't know your history. We're trying to get to know you and figure out what happened, and then we very much like to hear your side of the story so we can, figure out how we can help you and if there's anything that can explain what happened last night.
Are you hungry?
Will be. Will be.
You will be, you said?
Yeah, because I was at Rome last night.
Okay. You want a sandwich or something?
That would be nice.
Okay. We'll get you one. So look, I have kids that are around your age also. So I try to treat everybody like I would want somebody to treat my kids. You understand? So whatever happened last night, it's all right to talk about it.
I'm not the one to talk about it.
No,
I'm not the type of young man that will talk about it.
you what? I'm sorry.
I'm not the type of young man that will talk about it.
No, you don't want to give your side of the story.
It was wrong, that's it.
Well, I know it's wrong, but here, take a minute and you want to eat, or you want to, it's like a breakfast sandwich. Take a deep breath. It's okay to talk about it.
I promise you, it'll feel a lot better to talk about it. I know you may not think that right now, but
I'm not like that. If you want to understand anything, you have to understand that. Doesn't make me feel better to talk about it.
will help us understand, what's going through your mind right now, what's going on with you. Like, we just met you, man. I don't know you from Adam. Just, we want to hear your story and hear how this came to be, and, just to give your side of the story of what happened, basically. No one has talked to you yet.
Yeah, but you're just a bunch of Americans, so you will not understand.
Well, try to help me understand.
Well, I know you're from the Ukraine, right?
Yep.
And I know that, do you have family over there still?
No,
Or was over there?
it was.
And I know the war is real devastating over there. Did you lose family over there? Do you ever talk to them?
Why does it matter?
Well, just making conversation, that's it. Just want to see if talking might be able to help you. At least for a little bit.
How is it gonna help me?
How? Well,
How would it help me?
you're not gonna keep it bottled up inside. So it's like shaking up a Coke bottle, and as you let it out,
Huh? What happened last night? Shaking up a Coke bottle you talk about.
and that's what happened. So did you not get along with your parents?
Doesn't matter.
Well, it does matter. I mean,
It's none of your problems, Me talking about it doesn't make me feel better. I don't know what. If you want to understand anything, I don't understand.
I do.
Not all the people are the same.
No, and I get it. But,
I don't keep it bottled up inside.
no. Well, something happened last night. Either you guys argued.
There's a lot of things that happen.
Does it stem from way before last night, or?
Has nothing to do with it. Look, you never came here, right? Should say
You should have stayed in Ukraine.
yeah. This country is a shithole.
So what don't you like about this country?
Every American asks me that. Huh? You blind? You blind?
Well, probably because I was born here, so.
Yeah, well, you can fold. You don't know nothing about what's wrong with this country.
Well, why don't you tell me? Because maybe I can open my eyes to how you see.
Huh? Well, it doesn't matter.
Because perspective, man.
Perspective or facts?
Well, your perspective, and it could lead to facts.
Yeah, my perspective or the truth that you don't see is different.
Oh, we're not perfect,
It's not the matter.
So did you get adopted by your parents here?
Yep.
How old were you?
15, 16.
15 or 16. Did you know your neighbors down the street?
I don't give a shit about neighbors.
You used to go over there and he used to use his tools or something?
Working on your car.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean I really care about neighbors, bro. I'm just using people.
Yeah. Is that what you did last night? You used your parents?
No. So you're making an assumption that there's no.
Well, you said you used people.
Yeah, because there's not that good people, many good people around, so I don't know.
Were your parents good? Did they hurt you?
It's complicated to say. I don't know why you're asking all these questions.
Well, because, you know, we have a job to do, so we're trying to see what your side of the story is. Is it something that set you off, like your parents got in your face? Were you protecting yourself? You know, there's so many different options. Or you just, you know, okay, so give me the opportunity to talk to you and find out, like, what you feel about everything. I'm a people person. I like to talk to people.
So what happened last night that made you want to do something? Help me understand what happened out there.
Rage.
From what? Rage has to come from somewhere, you know,
Yeah.
there has to be some reason. It's a lot of rage to keep bottled up.
Right?
Did your parents push you into the rage?
We weren't like family anymore.
They weren't family anymore?
Yeah,
Did they change?
We've been through so much shit.
Yeah.
We've been arguing, going back and forth.
About what? What
Family issues.
okay. What do you do for work or hobbies and stuff?
Hobbies. I
Like
like,
you working right now?
yeah, not right now.
Right.
What do you like?
Sure. I'm not gonna be doing anything for
What do you like to do?
everything.
So you are feeling, I mean, you are getting upset about what happened last night. So that means that you have,
I mean, it's the question that you asked me.
well, why don't you ask us some questions?
It's like what I want to do, or what I like to do, or where I work.
Well,
We're not robots, man.
want to get to know you.
That's not what I meant. You totally misunderstood what I meant.
What did you mean? I don't want to misunderstand what you.
I guess I don't know. So
Take your time. We're in no rush. That could have a lot to do with it.
well, I don't want to lie, so
Well, I'm glad that you're not gonna lie. If you want to eat, you can take a break. You want to eat?
I don't care to eat.
Okay. We can get you more water if you need.
Look, what do you want to understand?
I want to understand you. I want to hear what you were feeling. So last night, what led up to last night?
Dealing with a lot. Suppose you want to explain this.
I promise you, I got nothing but time.
Yeah, right, me too.
And I'm willing to hear, you talk about it. I want to hear what you're going through. I want to hear what led up to last night. Why it led up to last night. What's going through your head? Why are you feeling the way you're feeling? Things that have happened to you that made you feel that way.
I mean, look, you asked me what caused last night.
Mm-hmm.
It was just maybe it was well, how do I explain this? It's hard to explain because you sit there and you think you understand me, but I don't think you do.
Well-
And I'm not saying this because I want you to understand me, I'm saying this because most people I talk to, they don't understand shit.
Well, why don't you try us out, because we've heard a lot of stories, especially in our career.
We talk to a lot of people who
So-
are not your average, you know.
Sometimes it's,
Why are we on camera?
well, everything, it's for your safety and our safety, so. And it just, it has to be, because we're in Venice Police Department's area, so it's however they want to do
What I wanna know is how did you find me?
it. I think they just came up upon you, so I think it was just out of luck.
You think?
Yeah, I think that,
Are you not lying right now?
no, not mine. I think that they, Venice Police Department was just checking the store, and they saw you, and
Right?
that's it. But you evaded us for many hours. So you're pretty good at what you were doing. So either you studied how to avoid cops, or
I don't study that
No.
instincts.
just instincts. Did you have shoes or no?
Yeah, they took my shoes off.
Okay.
No, it was a big threat.
Well, it's probably their protocol. Did they have shoelaces?
Yeah. Shoelaces.
So it's probably just their protocol. So you didn't get hurt or anything like that? I know you have a lot of scratches and stuff like that. It's probably running through the woods, right?
Yeah, swimming through a few canals too.
Yeah. Are you wet?
The socks are wet.
You can take them off if you want, but I don't know what. So, look, there's no easy way around this, Dima, okay? It's either your side of the story or we just go with what the scene says. But I think that there's a lot more to it.
There is.
So why don't you just try to see if we can understand what,
But what does it get us?
I don't know what it's gonna get us. Maybe us trying to say, well, we could see that happening the way it did. You know,
To give an explanation of what happened last night, because right now we don't have it. We just have what we can see and what's there.
It's not that bad, you know. It has a lot to do with everything. It has a lot to do with everything that I've been through. The anger that's inside.
you know,
All the shit that I've seen.
What kind of shit have you seen?
I don't know, like, I mean, it might not make sense. I mean, like, what, so you see this scene from what happened, and like, why do you have to come in here and ask me about it? If you, like, where does it get us if you don't ask me, or, like, what's the point of this?
you have to understand that, you know, we're here to do a job. I'm trying to treat you just like I would treat anybody else.
That's fine. So, like, we have this supposed conversation, like, it's just to get the other side of the story, it's just about it.
You talking about the conversation we're having right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
We don't have no side of the story. But we'd like to get yours.
and the other thing is like, I mean, do you call them mom and dad or do you call them something else?
Used to.
Used to? So, you wanna walk us through, or the other thing is, I'm worried about where did you put the knife? Because I don't want anybody, any kids or anything coming across it. Did you use a knife or was it something else?
It was not.
It was a knife? Do you know what kind of knife it was?
Yeah, the kitchen knife.
The kitchen knife? The silver handled one?
Yeah, I dropped the first one and then I went to grab the second one.
Did you use the big knife or the steak knives?
Steak knife.
The steak knife? So do you know where you dropped it, or
No.
do you know if you took it with you, or
No, I didn't take it with me.
do you know if you threw it in the woods, or is it in the house?
You asked me, it's like, it sounds dumb, but you asked me, do I know if I threw it in the woods? I didn't take it with me. It was happening and I dropped it. Not that I had, and then I drove down.
Mhm.
It was hard to understand.
Did it break off?
Break water.
The knife?
What made
Oh,
you use the
just-
second one? Is what he's trying to get at.
That's where I started.
So,
Where did it start? The bedroom? The living room?
Yep.
was your dad sleeping?
Yep.
Did you guys have a fight prior to this?
No.
It just raged?
It's a lot of things.
What did you think about last night?
It's like thinking, oh, like I don't like the situation. I don't like the people I'm with, so I'm just gonna kill them.
So you said that if you don't like the people that you're with, you want to kill them?
Not anybody. I mean, has a lot to do with, like, the way I am and the way I see things,
Mhm.
personal reasons. But, like, observations and, you know, like you said, you want to try to understand, it's like, it's hard to explain.
Mhm. So have you had these thoughts for most of your life as a?
No,
No.
just came up because of all the anger and all the,
So-
yeah, I wanna go back to the grind.
Yeah.
That's the reason that.
Did you ask them, did you say that to your parents that you were going to go back to Ukraine, and did they put up a fight with you or something?
No, it's not that.
No.
No, personally, I wanna go back to the grind because I'm sick and tired of learning this notion, put it on purpose.
Yeah. I hear you.
So what, what made you go in there and have an altercation with your dad?
It was not a, let me say, obligation.
Your dad was sleeping in my house.
It's just stabbing.
What was he doing?
What do you mean?
Was he yelling, or did he wake up after you stabbed him?
You're asking, great questions.
Well, I mean, did he start fighting you? Because we know that he got out of bed somehow.
Yeah, you want me to stop?
Yeah. Do you know where you stabbed him first?
I was dark,
Where was your mom at?
right there.
She was next to him? Did she wake up?
Yep.
So, you do know that, like, we're trying to piece this together, okay? So your dad starts getting up out of bed,
No, he wasn't. He was sleeping.
okay? And you stabbed him.
Yep.
Do you remember how many times?
Countless.
I'm sorry?
Countless.
Countless times? Did he ever get out of bed?
Yeah.
And then what? Did you push him against the wall? Or did he fall?
Just bleeding out. Going around the house. Trying to fight me back.
Okay. Did you stab him out in the living room, or
Yep.
leaving out of the bedroom?
Yep.
Where was your mom at?
Going around the neighborhood asking for help.
Was she on the phone?
Possibly. Some called the police.
Did she hit you or anything, or try to fight you off, or?
She's a woman. What do you think she's gonna do?
Well, I can tell you that probably most women will either run or they're gonna fight back.
I tried to fight back, but there isn't much you can do.
All right. So,
Did she try to fight you back?
and then, did you stab her?
You already know I stabbed both of them. You're asking me questions that are obvious. Questions that you already know.
I don't know for sure what happened there. That's
Well,
why-
you know that I stabbed both of them. You're asking me, did I stab her? You know I did.
I mean, a lot of things could happen there. I don't know.
What happened when she ran out? Did she go out the front door?
Yep.
Did you close the door behind her, or did you?
I told her to get back inside.
And she kept going?
No, she went back inside.
At one point, did she go to the neighbors?
Yeah, that's when she went out. Sound cold?
Where was your dad at that point?
Dead
Where at?
on the living room floor.
Did he fall into the couch a couple times, or no?
Possibly. Yeah, I think he did. Can't remember.
Did he say
I
anything?
mean, this discussion's kind of, like, what, you're trying to get much of the story, but you basically get an idea of what this is.
Mm-hmm.
So you're trying to get much of the story, but I just brutally stabbed one of the parents. What is there to get?
When your mom came back in the house, what happened?
Well, did you hear what they said?
Yeah, I know. But we know that you stabbed your dad to death, but your mom did leave to go to the neighbors. Did you go back out there to get her, or?
Yes.
So did you run across the grass, or,
Yes.
and you yelled at her?
No, I said, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Where was she at that point? Do you remember?
Neighbor's house.
In the driveway, front door, what? Driveway?
So she comes back. Did she listen to you? She comes back. Do you guys talk at all?
Yeah, I tried to talk to her.
How did that conversation go?
It was a monologue.
So did you stab her already at that time, at that point?
After I finished saying what I had to say.
What's that?
After I finished saying what I had to say.
After you said what you had to say to her, then you stabbed her?
Yes.
Where?
A lot of places, like don't you already know this?
Did you cut her throat?
No, just
You stabbed her in the throat? And she laid right there?
no, she terrified me back.
Where was she where was your mom when you stabbed her? Were you guys in the house at that point? Did you start outside?
In the house.
All the times that you stabbed your mom was inside the house?
Yep.
Okay. Where at? In the living room, the bedroom, the kitchen?
Yeah.
Was she sitting on the couch or no?
Yep.
Which couch, the small one or the big one?
Small.
Were you sitting there with her?
I was standing up.
And you were talking to her, and
Yeah.
what was she saying back?
Pretty much nothing.
She wasn't crying, pleading for her life or anything?
She was.
She was? So you stabbed her in the throat? Was that the last time you stabbed her, or you kept stabbing her?
Kept stabbing.
At what point did you go get the other knife?
When I lost the first one.
Was that on your father?
Yep.
So it's just the steak knives?
Yep.
Where was the dog at?
In the bedroom.
In the master bedroom?
Yeah. I wouldn't kill a dog because there's no reason to kill a dog.
Yeah. What's the dog's name?
Sparkle.
Sparkle. Okay.
What was the reason to kill your parents?
There's many reasons.
Can you give us one reason?
I don't know
do to make you not like them? I don't know, you know, I'm asking. I don't live your life, you know, I don't live with you guys.
I mean, yeah, everyone's gonna tell you that. Well, yeah, in America, yeah, you get whatever you want, you know, life's easy, but I don't see it like that. It's like,
How do you see it? Help me understand.
well, I'm basically nobody coming from nowhere. You know,
And that's that when your parents adopted you?
no, that wasn't my best one, it was my bad, just,
Okay.
what I'm basically saying is, the way I see things is not laying that way. I mean, I'm not trying to tell you that I try to control my parents, that's not what it is. I'm not that fucked up, man, you know. But it's just, my adopted parents really never taught me anything to, you know.
They never taught you anything, you said?
Yeah, it's like, I feel like I'm like a self-learner, you know, like I basically tell myself like what to do, what not to do, and like when I first came to this country, I was like, I didn't like the way I was treated, and you know, yeah, I misbehave a lot, but that has nothing to do. After I got older, it's like I said, it's stupid.
Do they
The
not?
reason it's stupid, the reason that I killed is stupid.
Yeah. So did they adopt you from Ukraine?
Foster care.
Foster care? So you came over here and was put in foster care?
No, I was foster care because my real mother died and my family picked me up and then the truth is they didn't want to put up with me for some reason, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Your real family just want to put you in foster care for everybody.
Did your adopted family love you? Like, did it seem like it, or?
Yeah, they love me, but at the same time,
At the same time,
it was not always about love and family, it was like controlling
like them controlling you, or
and sometimes,
how so? Like, physically, or
no,
mentally, or
like,
telling you what you can and can't do,
like, you know, who's the household of the house? Who's the household in the house?
or, I mean,
A man is,
yeah,
right?
it's different from whoever you ask, you know?
Well, it's different where we ask because this country's so fucked up, but the answer is man. And, you know, my adopted mom was, you know, sometimes act like she's the household.
Mm-hmm.
The house, the
Head of the
head
household.
of the household.
Yeah.
Whatever.
I mean, sometimes women, you know, they feel like.
Yeah, I know.
So did that set you off?
No, it was just like I was just telling you, just many reasons.
Yeah, it just
That's just
started.
one of the
Yeah.
reasons.
Something had to set you over the edge, man, about last night with your dad, like, for you to go in there, you're done with that and go in there and do what you did, no. What?
It's a lot of
what was
shit.
that? What?
It's some things don't relate to it. It's
Like what?
like just being tired of, you know, like I just said, being sick and tired of putting up to bullshit that this country is about.
Well, when you made you take that out on your parents, so why did it lead to that? What happened?
Because they're part of it.
Did you work yesterday?
Yep. So, a fucking 12-hour shift.
At King's Plastic?
Yeah.
So when you came home,
Great person.
when you
Right.
came home, how were you feeling? Tired?
Yeah. Zero tired.
And you didn't want to be messed with?
I see what you're trying to say, it's not that.
No.
You weren't pissed off then or anything?
No, I was not pissed off at anything.
And you didn't, did you do any drink any alcohol or do
Yeah, I
any
did.
drugs?
I drank some alcohol,
What'd you have?
whiskey,
Whiskey. Do you drink whiskey straight or
straight.
you put it in a glass with ice or,
No, just
straight?
Cigarette.
and how much do you usually drink? Or how much did you drink
I
last
can
night?
drink a lot or I can drink a little. Yesterday was not, I didn't drink a lot yesterday.
No.
But it has nothing to do with what happened.
Okay, so,
You might think it does because what? Alcohol doesn't affect on your mind, but I've been mad, for a long time now. There's nothing to it.
okay, so I was just trying to get at, were you drunk and they pissed you off and you just lost your cool? Or you weren't drunk and you just lost your cool?
Like I said,
The alcohol didn't affect you.
it's like, I lost my cool many times, but not to this point.
Where were you when you lost your cool?
Sit in my car drinking. It's not, alcohol, alcohol just brings out the true me, it's not like, my anger, I try to control my anger when I'm not drinking, but, alcohol, it doesn't, it just makes me, just basically makes me how I really feel. Because I've been angry for a long time, but alcohol just, or cigarettes, I smoke cigarettes, and I'm sitting there, I'm so pissed off about everything.
So you're sitting in your car outside, to help me paint a picture, you're sitting in your car outside, you're pissed off, you're steaming off something. Is that when you decided to get out of your car and go inside?
Yeah.
You go inside and do you go straight to the kitchen?
Do you know
What happens when you go inside?
where
do you go?
Why do you ask me that? What is it?
Well,
I'm trying to understand the process of what happened.
Just go to my bedroom,
You went in your bedroom. And then what happened?
well, I know what I'm trying to do, so I get over it.
so were you having those thoughts when you were in the bedroom and
Yep.
Did they start while you were in the car?
Yep.
So you start having the thoughts in the car, you go into the house, you go into your bedroom, and you continue to have the thoughts, and what happens at that point?
Well, you know what?
Yeah, but did something trigger it, or did you just say, I'm doing it?
I just don't do
So you go over to the kitchen and you get the knife out of the butcher block,
it.
and then you went right straight to your dad.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Did you pick your dad because you knew that you have to disable him first?
Yeah.
And was mom sleeping in bed next to Dad?
Yeah. Sounds crazy, doesn't it?
Well, it's your story, so
No, it's still a pretty easy story. Like I just said, it's stupid. Reason for why I did this is stupid.
Was your dad able to get back at you in any way? Like, was he able to manhandle you at all, or no?
Try to. No, I'm strong enough.
So he gets up out of bed, and you guys have like a fist fight, or like he's trying to grab onto you, or like how does that all happen?
You can just blow it over him, you can't hold on.
He's still trying to grab you.
Yeah, I can't hold on to him.
And how did it go? How did it lead to the living room?
I was trying to get away from me, I guess.
Okay, you followed him into the living room?
Yep. I know I really had a good family before I came to this country, and then when I came here, I was literally basically on my own, with my own world, inside my head, and you come here and you have to put up with somebody else. Because I don't know these people, you know, they're strangers, they say they wanna bring you into your family, but where I come from, it's not that easy, you just become family.
When did you get adopted? How old were you?
2016,
16?
2016.
Oh, okay. Did you go to Northport High?
Yeah, I dropped out.
Oh, you dropped out. What grade did you drop out? 10? Did you get in trouble there or anything?
No, this shit that they try to teach in high school is just unacceptable, so I dropped out. Like, you said you open your eyes over what? Do you know what the stuff they teach in high school?
Yeah, I do, and
There you go.
it's pretty atrocious. But,
Well, I saw that when I first went to high school, and I don't do it.
yeah. Now, did you know English before you came to this country, or?
No.
No?
I did not, because I didn't like learning.
Yeah.
We had English classes that I could learn, but it was fun.
So when did you start talking fluent English?
I started talking with Americans and when I got fluent.
Yeah, and you can still talk, is it Ukraine or is it?
Ukrainian? Yeah, I can try, it's been a while.
Yeah,
Russian, I've been speaking Russian too.
okay. You speak any other languages?
No,
No. So did you try cleaning up?
no.
Cause
Clean up the knife and put it back.
you cleaned up the knife and put it back? So there was 2 knives in there? Or was the whole?
2 steak knives, 2 dressed from wash.
Okay.
Did you wash both knives and put them back?
I wasn't trying to find the element, I should.
The first one?
Well, the thought was going through my head is I should have left earlier, so, because I know the area, and I could have got away from police.
Mhm.
I could have got away from police chasing me, because I knew the area, and when I was driving on the highway, I knew what I should have done, but I did. But I still got away from it.
So you did see the police there?
Yeah, they pulled up from all this, from everywhere.
Did you hear what the police officer said to you?
I don't give a shit.
No, but I mean,
I heard
Did you say
something,
something?
I heard something.
okay.
So the knife that you cleaned off and put back in the butcher block, do you think that was the first one or the second one?
Like the way you asked me that question, do I think that was the first one? That was, well, maybe, yeah, I guess I get it where you asked me that, but same time, it's like, I know it was the second one,
Okay.
so I couldn't find the first one.
Mhm. Did you get cut? In your hands?
Because trying to stab somebody with a steak knife the way I was doing is, you hurt yourself too.
Is it bad? Because your hands?
It's not that bad.
Did you get it in there?
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
How were you stabbing them? Was the fist going
Different
top
ways.
to bottom? Do you mind showing me?
I mean, it was like, sometimes I would barely hold a knife and still stab them, you know, so. Whatever.
Did you get a lot of blood on you?
Yep.
Did you try to rinse it off or?
See it right now. Well, I rinsed most of it off. Like I said, I was trying to, because I know how fast police respond, so I was trying to get away as fast as I can, but it wasn't like, no, I could have actually drove on a highway without police chasing me,
Mhm.
but washed myself off. No, I had to swim in a few canals, that's how I got everything washed off.
Okay.
You know, like, because I was watching helicopter and Scotland. And that's hardest thing to get away from.
Did you expect to be a cop outside?
I don't give a shit, I just didn't want to come and leave.
No, I know that, I didn't know.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did it because, you know, that someone called. Someone had to call. It is messed up, though. You know it and I know it.
What you did?
Yeah.
So where were you gonna go to?
I was gonna try and go to like Orlando port and try find some kind of ship and get on and leave.
Mm-hmm.
Like sneak into the ship because I just want to get to the party.
So are we gonna try to go back to the Ukraine or?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what I've been trying to do. You know, we had a lot of family issues and I really wanted to.
God.
I really want us to be family again because we were not really like one.
Yeah.
Did you you guys get, at first, you were
We got along
alright,
first.
and then
Yeah, it was alright first.
what happened that you guys kind of separated a little bit, or went through some issues?
It's just the past.
Your past, their past?
No, our past. It is just, like I said, it's too complicated to explain. I don't even feel right to explain. But it's the past that triggers me.
Did they ever hurt you?
No.
Okay. I was just concerned about that because, you know, sometimes people will adopt or foster and then they'll,
Abuse.
yeah.
So, obviously, we know your side of the story and what happened, but I'd really like to know if you would tell me some of the things that specifically made you feel that way, like what led up to that. You know, I know you said a couple of things, you know, your past, when you're younger, just your childhood and stuff like that, but what are the other things specifically with your parents that, that caused you to explode?
I honestly don't know how to explain that. You know, it's like, try to think about it, it's not.
Are you willing to try?
I'm trying right now.
Okay.
I don't know, it's,
I know it's eating at you, man, but I can tell some stuff happened, you know, there's something that's making you feel that way.
yeah, it's like, like I was telling you, it's other stuff that's not related to yesterday's situation that made me do
Yeah, I know you told me that, and I remember that, I'm curious as to what, you know, I wanna know what the hell was leading you up that bad, what happened between you guys, like,
it. Doesn't
how
have
bad was your
to
relationship, like, what,
I'm talking about the past. No, we just had a bunch of arguments and
recently, how
you
recently?
tell you, like, my dad said he's gonna call police on me. I said he was gonna try to call police if I don't leave. Like I said, the part that I'm not telling you is, you know, I'm not a good kid. I was telling you, I was not raised right. And I've been misbehaving and not listening and not doing what I'm told and now we had all those family issues. But it was half me and half them.
That makes sense, man. I know nothing's one-sided, you know. There's two sides to a story, you know.
Yeah, because I know that I heard like, I was mad at, they were mad at me too, and I was mad at them. You know, I was like, my mom like cares about me more than my dad does, and then he says that I don't need marriage because apparently not.
He said that you ruined their marriage?
Yeah, because like, you know, you know, your mom loves you more than your dad, and then she tries to spend more time with you when your dad is not, and it looks like I don't know.
Do you think that's what happened?
No,
Were they going through rough times too?
they weren't rough times because they had rough times since the first one.
So did they argue a lot?
Because of me, yeah, it was all about,
Oh, just about you?
yeah, because, you know,
Who would stand up for you?
parents, mom
Mom would?
parenting issues.
Yeah.
I had parenting issues too, they, and then you and you, because we had conversations.
Were they from Florida?
No,
Where are they from?
mom's from my dad's from Massachusetts.
Did they get married or meet down here? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah. How long were they married? Do you know? 20-something years.
Probably.
And were they real estate agents or?
Yeah, when I first came here, doing the house.
Mom and dad?
Yeah, that was one of the first things I had to do when I came here, doing the houses, run places and something else.
Mm-hmm.
What does mom do now?
What?
What does mom do now? Like, what does she do for work now?
What she did for work?
Yeah.
I don't know, like, help advertise properties, I think. Put them out there so people.
So your mom and dad were both doing real estate still, but.
Somewhat.
Okay.
Did they scratch you in the fight when you were stabbing?
Maybe, but it doesn't matter, like.
Are these all from?
These are all from running away from police because that's crawled to impossible. Bushes.
Yeah.
Bushes. But, yeah, I guess, my mom did like, basically, advertising properties for whoever, so they could see it.
Do you remember what your mom said at all last night when you guys were talking after you killed your dad?
She didn't say much.
What did you say? Do you remember?
Like I said, she didn't say much.
Did she say she loved you?
No. She didn't say that.
No.
Right.
Did she ask you to stop
When?
at any point? When you guys were talking, yeah, I believe you said she was sitting on the couch.
Yeah, she
You were
was
sitting there talking to her. What did she say to you then?
She said, I'm bleeding cold ambulance.
What did you tell her?
I just ignored it, like, why would I do that?
Did you stab her again after that?
Yep.
Do you remember her?
No, it's just all over the place.
You weren't gonna call for an ambulance?
Why would I?
I don't know, just want to ask.
No, I wouldn't.
So I think what Detective St. Jean's trying to get at was, we know that you were having problems with your dad. Your mom stuck up for you whenever the arguments were going. So we
have
did.
great family issues.
Yeah, but
Sometimes.
so did you have like a feeling of remorse after you stabbed your mom and she's asking for an ambulance? You didn't feel anything? Did you want to make sure that she was dead before you left, so you were hoping to get away with it?
No, it's not the case.
How did you end up from the couch to?
Hold on the floor. I mean, you're asking very disturbing questions.
Disturbing questions?
Yes, disturbing.
Is this starting to get to you now?
Well, it's not like it's scary to me, it's just, if you listen to the stuff that you're asking, why would you be asking
Again, we have a job to do and we have to make sure that everything matches up to the scene and what your side of the story is. Obviously, you raged out last night and this was boiling from probably the last month that you were here, right? Were you here a month? Yeah. So last night, you're sitting in your car, you started drinking a little bit, and you just came up with this, that you were gonna do something now.
I came out before that.
After work?
No, it was good, days before that.
So what?
I had those thoughts before that.
Days, months, what?
Oh, listen.
Okay. Is it because of all the fighting? And they didn't want you
In
back in the
general,
house?
no, it's a lot of things.
Okay.
Like everything, like a combination of everything.
Yes.
And you've been thinking about killing both of your parents for how long
I'm not sure, it's not, I don't,
now? Like a day?
I don't plan on it, sit there and think about it all day long, you know, it just comes up in my head and I go do it.
Was last night the first time that you actually thought about killing your parents?
No,
So you thought about it previous, but you didn't act on it, obviously. What made you like come to that point last night that you were like, I'm done, this is over?
because I don't like most people. I don't know, I would miss my parents, honestly. Because of, you know,
Did you miss your parents? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
like, no, I mean, I try to get back with them and have, and us be family again, but it didn't seem like it was, you know.
Did you think you were back in a corner or something?
No. I don't know.
Just it made you upset or what?
Yeah, it made me upset. Nothing's, feels like nothing's going right for me,
Yeah.
which it is, you know, but at the same time, it's not.
There was a stab wound, I think, in your dad's leg. Did you?
Maybe accidental, I don't know.
Okay. But everything else was you meant to do.
How did your mom make it to, I know I've already asked you this, but we didn't really kind of elaborate on it. How did your mom make it from the couch to where she's laying on the floor?
She fell down.
She stood up and
Yeah.
did she crawl at all? Was she able to try to get away from you or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was she trying to crawl to your dad?
Possibly.
She had a towel there. Where did that towel come from?
That's how the house was up on.
I'm sorry, what?
Oh, that town before that was, that's what it was.
Oh, for the dog. Okay.
So the towel that was on the sink,
That was used.
where'd you get that towel from? Your bathroom?
Yeah.
Is that what the drops of blood on your bathroom floor was?
Blood above me, yeah.
Yeah. Did you go anywhere else besides your bathroom and the master bedroom and the living room?
Did you go into my bedroom? Make sure I grabbed it.
You went to your bedroom?